Hello everyone. We are here to present our presentation regarding consultancy service industry from the as a coursework from the module the Global Business Environment Evolution and Dynamics. And the course code is 7042 SSL. Yeah, and our group number is 17. Here are my team members: Mydhili, myself, Harshitha, Mohan, Zeshan, and Rahil. The introduction part will be explained by Zeshan. Can you please take over?
So, consultancy service industry, uh, consultancy service are defined as the analyzing of current issues and creating future strategies. Consulting service are the practice of assisting organization in performing better. So, there are many different kind of consultancy service, but I focus more on the management consulting services. So here are some consulting services shown in this slide. So I'm going to explain them more further. So strategy consulting helps to implement strategic plans, market strategies for development and growth of company. Along with that, business consulting is also part of strategic consulting. It helps to these consulting consultancies help businesses to run in a better position and their growth. So on the next, there's the financial consulting. So financial consulting offers expertise areas such as accounting, investment strategies. So at the next, there's information technology consulting. So informational technology consulting help business with software development, cyber security, data management, and digital transportation. Along with that, human resource consulting. These consultants offer companies with employees training and their development, including recruitment. So we have another consultancy service. It's marketing consulting. So these consultants provide market strategies, branding, advertisement, sales, technique, and digital marketing. Uh, Operation, and the next one and the last one, which is on my list, is like operations consulting. So these consultants offer service to improve operational efficiency, supply chain management, and quality control. So these are the main consultancy service which I thought to uh, add on in the management. So for the further, so I'll be handovering to my colleague Mydhili. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Jishan. So the next topic, like overview, is going to start uh, this industry had just started and founded in the 19th century, and then later over on the years coming, it has like grown up to 100 to 300 billion dollars in revenue. And then we have like few main segments in this, like IT, HR, finance, marketing, operations, and all, where we can see IT is the thing. It is a main thing which occupied nearly 24% of the whole sector, and the operations management as 33, and then cooperation strategy is 11, and human resources as 10, and rest of the thing was occupied by the rest other small types of consultancy services. Then coming to this graph, this is a report for the forecast of how consulting service market is just growing, and how it will be growing until 2028. So according to this forecast, this industry is going to grow like 395.14 billion by the time of 2028. So that's a huge number to be considered, and we can say that it was like growing so much rapidly. And then coming to the key players for this industry, like our key players are the main big companies which has taken a large market share in the whole segment. So we can see here this, like these are the four big firms altogether called as big four firms, occupied a lot of market share in the whole segment. You can see like 39% it was occupied by these four companies in this sector, and the top 10 is occupied by 56, and then the top 200 is occupied like 80% of the market share, where we can understand it's like a very fragmented market, which most of the market share is like occupied by only few companies. And then to be more precise, like North America is one of the largest market for consulting sector, because all these big companies are from the North America, so it has a very huge consulting sector, part of consulting sector we can see. And then coming to the market share of the key players, we can see like big four firms were in the first list, and they have been occupying so much in the revenue and also in the market share, that because all of these companies were having operating in nearly 150 countries all over the world, so it helps them to get more revenue and obviously to take over more market share. But if you can see here, EY is a one company which has a revenue growth more revenue growth comparatively to the other four. And then this one more, Booz Allen Hamilton, is one more company which have to be pointed out, because even though it's a very moderate sized company, it still have a very good revenue growth increase. You can see it as 10%, which is like capable enough of comparing and giving the competition to big four firms in the top list. And then IBM is a one company to be noted, like because it has seen the negative revenue growth in this year, like maybe it has seen like it has seen some losses at that year. And like these are few uh, market shares of all the key players in this industry. And then the next is like coming like basic steps, which will be taken over by Harshita. Over to you, Harshita.
Yeah. Thank you, Mydhili. The present figure that we are seeing represents the basic steps followed by the consulting firms. The very first step is recognition of the need of the client, where the consulting firms will be understanding what they actually need, and then we will be analyzing the background of the problem, the main problem, that is pre-invention stage, and then goes like planning stage, where we will plan, and like the consulting firms will plan and some strategies according to need. And then comes the implementation stage, where the consulting firms will actually implement the plan, and they will be understanding what are the barriers, and then they will be correcting them. Finally, all these things will give us the result and shows the impact, and then this process continues. This process goes on. Yeah, most of the consulting firms are owned by private sector, not than the government sector. The consulting service market size expected to grow at 4.21 CAGR. CAGR in the sense component annual growth rate. That 4.21% increase. It will be increased from 4.21% in from the year 2023 to 2028. Yeah. The consulting firm industry can be both capital and labor intensive according to the type of consulting firm. And then comes the key features of the consulting firms. The first key feature is highly fragmented market. Like the Mydhili said in the key players, most of the market share comes from only from the few companies. Yeah, like the big four firms. And then proprietary frameworks and IP. Consulting firms assist clients in transformation using proprietary framework, IP, tools, and in-house methodologies. And then the next one is six main domains. The six main domains are strategy consulting, management consulting, operations consulting, financial advisory, HR consulting, and the technology consulting. The fourth one is expertise in problem solving. The consulting service enhances organizational performance by analyzing problems and developing future plans, offering expert advice and decision making support. And then the next one is the next generation technologies. Next generation technologies have rapidly advanced, making traditional consulting services redundant and requiring innovation to stay relevant in the rapidly evolving and rapidly growing industries. The next one, the last one is the trends. The use of artificial intelligence, AI. and the digitalization to boost corporate performance, the expansion of cloud capabilities, the necessity for consulting companies to deliver value for money, and global recruitment for specialized positions are some of the major trends in the consulting sector. Yeah, the figure that we are seeing represents a theoretical framework of consulting companies' innovation process during the COVID-19 pandemic that hit globally. The important thing that a firm has to get is organizational support, which is very important. That includes hardworking managers, innovative work culture, etc. The main strategy here is job to be done strategy, including market tracking, new market tactics, like new market tricks like that, and which detects innovation opportunities. This leads to environmental change and innovation opportunities, and exploits opportunities that leads to innovation and preparation for new format. Yeah. Um, Next, it
Yeah,
will be taken over by Mohan. Can you please take over?
yeah, thanks, Harshitha. I'm go through the challenges in consultancy services, and we are picking up top 6 challenges in this service. And the first one is competition, and the many of consultants are starting their own business because of the competition in the consultancy sector, and MNCs finds challenges to stand out and the drawing customers in the results and changing the client's behavior. Customers are searching for high expectations and high unique demands, and the brandings are increasing demanding. And due to the changing of customer needs, MNCs must be adaptable and profitability. The consulting sector having troubles and remaining profitable because competition in the shifting clients' performance, and the MNCs must figure out the continuously making money while offering their customers high quality services. And the fourth one, project complexity. The complexity of consultancy's assignments calls up for MNCs and through the understanding of the client, industry, and company. The MNCs have high skilled workforce capability and managing client challenging projects. And the fifth one is cyber security. We are growing usage of digital tools and technologies have creating by cyber security issues from consultancy sectors, and clients secure the data from shielding from online damages, and the localization. Emergency looks for to growth internationally. These poses of problems. And the next topic is how dynamic in this industry. The consultancy industry is highly dynamic. The consultancy evolution and to meet the changes in needs of the business and clients, the rapidly advancements in the technology and globalization shifting the marketing trends and maintain the trademark in the market. Consultancies must be about swiftly staying relevant and the new methodologies, ideas, and innovations, tools, and frequently requires to consult to stay. And we are picking up the top 6 points in this: emergency and significance, knowledge and industry, changing dynamics, and learning and development. And the final one is Microsoft Dynamics. And the ever-changing landscaping demands consultants to be elegant and protective and continuously upskills and ensuring their orders, cutting edges, and solution that dynamic consultancy space. And now go through the ahead.
Thank you so much, Mohan. My topic is consulting service strategies. There are various types of strategies which are used by multinational companies nowadays. As we know that MNC face a lot of problems today. So due to this, some companies are use these strategies. The first one is partnership. MNC collaborate with other ecosystem participants to find some solutions they face in the global business environment. As a result, MNC collaborate with regional companies to better understand the market and the culture over there. The second one is global strategies. In these strategies, MNC use global strategies For example, standardization, localization, international methods to expand their corporate uh, corporate operations, offering identical goods as well as service globally, and combining them in translation strategies. The other one is strategies consulting. In this strategy, MNC utilize strategy using service for expert insight on business challenges, market research, as well as competitive landscapes, and ensuring informed decision for the company health. The fourth one is innovation. As we all know that nowadays customer needs increase day by day, and due to this, MNC innovated and make new products by investigating research as well as developing for the customers' needs. And the last one is that digitalization. In this strategy, digitalization helps MNC run their business more efficiently, and they obtain insight into their business performance, improve customer experience, as well as streamline procedures using digital tools as well as technologies. So these are the strategies, and I forward to you. Harshita is explaining the conclusion.
Yeah, thank you, Rahil. We end our part with the conclusion. Yeah. The consulting firms must understand services like they should target audience value and prioritize client work to improve the positioning. And each and every firm should try to adapt digital marketing and business development for consistent clients. Hiring efficient team of experts to meet client needs and satisfy them. The consulting firms must invest in cybersecurity measures to protect clients' data. They should be focused on delivering proper results, like the proper results is very important. The consulting firm sells results, but not the services. They should understand the client truly. Yeah, here is the end of our presentation, and thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Slide చూపించచ్చు కదా.